Good morning, my dear students. Now in class 7, now today I am going to revise the computer subject. Animate Cc, which we have already discussed in our class. What is the use of this? What is the functionality of this Animate Cc? In your computer, in the lab, we have installed Animate Cc and Macromedia. Any one you can use, which is easily available for you. Any one software you can use. Both the software are having the same interface and same working criterias. In this software, basically we are using to give animation for the object or the text. The first way we have discussed frame by frame to twinned animation. Now in this twinned animation, two types of animation is there. We have discussed two animations. First is frame by frame animation and second is twinned animation. Now in twinned animation, tint twinning and second one is shape tint twinning and shape twinning. In the frame by frame animation, we have to choose the timeline, and on the first timeline we have to draw one design like in your Animate CC or Macromedia, you will get the timeline downside. You have to select the first timeline, you will get this dot and this will be selected with red color. Then you have to draw one diya. Let's an example, we have drawn this diya. Now in frame by frame animation, again you will choose the next keyframe. As you will click the next keyframe, first one will be deleted and second one will be selected. Now what you have to do, you have to select this diya or select the flame only, not the diya, select the flame only with selection tool and just tilt the flame. Like when you will select this flame, it will be selected with the dotted lines. It will be selected with the dotted lines. Now you have to tilt it. Then again you have to select the next keyframe. As you will select in the keyframe, it will be deselected and it will be selected. Now again with the help of selection tool, you have to select the flame and you have to tilt the flame that side. One time this side, one time that side. So what will happen? When you will play the movie, you will get the flame is moving both the sides, like here and there it is flickering. So with this you can easily understand that the way you are running the movie, the flame of this diya will shift here and there. So you can create an animation with the help of this frame by frame animation. As you are selecting more frames in this, your movie will be smooth. If you will select less number of frames, then your movie will be, means suddenly it will change. So if sudden change you want, then one or two keyframes you can use, and if you want smooth smooth movie, that is smoothly it should go, then you have to use number of keyframes, and in every keyframe you have to give the motion smoothly. You have to set the speed of this animation also. In the downside, properties input window, properties window, in properties window we will get the speed, the frame rate we can set. In frame rate you have to set more numbers, then it can execute more number of frames in less time, so it will be very fast. If it is executing less number of frames in the same time, then it will be slow. So for more speed you can give more number, and for less speed you can reduce the number. So with frame rate you can set the speed of your animation, and it will be played according to your given speed. So this is a very good function for this. Now the stage which you have used, this stage size can be adjusted. The stage size can be adjusted means if your animation is small, then you can use a small stage. If your animation is big, then you can use large stage. Or you can use the automatic selection of the stage, it will adjust according to the photo which you have made. So this was the frame by frame animation. The second one is tint animation. Tint animation is used to change the color only. It means that in this stage you have written the text. You have written the text. Now in this text you have to set the color on the first stage. Pink color, and after 30 you have to select again the same photo will be shown to you. You have to select green color. Now what will happen? First keyframe you have selected pink color, and at the 30th keyframe you have selected green color. Then after right click with your mouse anywhere in between the keyframes, and with right click you have to select tint twin. You have to select tint twin. As you will select tint twin, then play the movie. You will find that it is gradually changing its color from pink to green. As it will move that side, it will change its color pink to green. So this is the tint twinning. Now in shape twinning, what you have to do, and one more thing, you have to save it as symbol also. If you will not save the picture, applying the tint twinning will be difficult. So you have to set the pictures, save the picture also. Now shape twin. What is shape twin? Shape twin is used to change the shape of the object which we have drawn. Let's an example. You have drawn one square, and now the second process, what you have to do? On the first keyframe, we have made this square. Now you have to draw after 60 keyframes one circle. Now right click on the keyframe and click break apart. break apart. After breaking apart, you can use your mouse and select anywhere in these keyframes and choose shape twin. Click shape twin. Then after, as you will play the movie, as it will go from first frame to the 30th frame, your shape will change from square to circle. So these are the three different animations which we can use in Animate CC or in Macromedia. Thank you, student. This you have to learn it. You have to read the book also. Thank you.